Cool. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to put together the Rocket Junior 3-piece drum kit. First you're going to want to put the drum heads on. I've already done some of them. I'll show you one of them to show you how it's done. So you get these sort of clamp parts, unscrew one end, and what you want to do with these is you put each one either side on the rim, put the main part through this hole here, and then just tighten them up. And that holds the heads in place. So with the drum key provided, you just tighten those up. And that keeps the kick drum all held together in place. From there we'll put the legs in, which are just these little bits of metal here. They just go in to these small holes here and tighten with these wing nuts. And this part goes in the top of the kick drum. This holds the cymbal and the tom. And to attach the tom, you want to get this small piece of metal here, put it through this hole that's on the stand, and that attaches to this part on the drum. And the cymbal stand, you can adjust it to the height you want. You just take off the nut, washer and belt. You can pop the cymbal on there, pop the felt back on, the washer back on, and then the nuts. That's the main part of that. From here for the snare drum, you take the bottom part of the stand, you can just pull this out like so, tighten it back up to keep it secure. Then with the top part of it, it just goes in here like this, and again tighten that up, tighten the top bit up. And then the snare drum should just rest onto it like that. With the kick drum, all you need to do is pop this beater into the hole here. It just tightens again with a wing nut. So like that. Pop that behind the kick drum. It's there for you. So that's the whole kit pretty much assembled there.